snowed a little bit last night. The tools of the trade, ladies and gentlemen. Got these cars with a little bit of driveway to get the snow off of it. Got this guy, who's a snow rake. It's pretty legit. Gets the job done. It's probably best to not do it onto the driver's side.
I love you.
Hey beautiful people, hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is Friday and it's sleeting / hailing right now, but just because it's doing all that does not mean we don't get to go to work here in New England. So even though it's technically snowing in Texas and Louisiana and they shut down all schools and half the people at work, today was like 4 to 7 inches of snow last night and with some rain to follow after, but still made it to work, so get on this level.